Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Imagine this, you are still studying in class 10th, 11th or 12th and you already have a certificate course from IIT Madras. Yes, you heard it right. One of the India's top institute, IIT Madras, is offering short certificate courses for school students. So now let's see in detail. So this program name is IITM School Connect. I have already given the link in the description as well as in the comment section of this video. So this program is run by IIT Madras. This is specifically for class 10th, 11th and 12th student, and they are going to get hands-on career experience. Now let's see which all courses are available. So here first key benefit. So here you are going to get access to expert. It's affordable learning, flexible schedules because it's online, and recognized certification because you are going to get certificate from IIT Madras. How it work? If you want to register for this, first your school need to partner with IIT Madras. After school partner with IIT Madras and allot one SOP, they will enroll all the interested students. It's not compulsory that school need to enroll all the students. Even one student is also there, they can do it. And once a student complete the course, submit the assignment, they will be awarded with a certificate by IIT Madras. Till date, 4,800 schools have partnered with IIT Madras and 1,59,000 students have enrolled for the courses, and totally 16 courses are available. Now let's see which all courses are there. Your first course is Introduction to Data Science and AI, Introduction to Electronic System, Introduction to Architect and Design, Introduction to Engineering, Biological System, then Fun with Mathematics and Computing, Introduction to Law, Maths Unpuzzled, Fundamental of Aerospace. And remember, all these courses are provided by different institutes, not only by IIT Madras. IIT Madras is the main who will be issue certificate, but like this Introduction to Law is by Nalsar Hyderabad, because in law they are the expert or top institute. Same way Architect is given by SPA Vijayawada. Then other courses are also there, like Introduction to Ecology by Aizer Tirupati, Humanity Unplugged by IIT Madras, Economics, Finance and Money Matter by IIT Kanpur, then Game Tech Explorer by IIT Kanpur, then Introduction to Product Design IIT Kanpur, Molecular Engineering IIT Madras, Introduction to Cyber Security IIT Madras and Introduction to Digital Humanity by IIT Madras. So these are the 16 courses available. Now let's see the timeline. So the registration for this already started on 15th June and it will close on 24 July. So still you have 1 week left, and the course after the registration course will start on 3rd August and it will end on 25th August because it's only 8-week program, and final exam will be conducted on 11th October. If because of some reason you miss this batch, then don't worry, you can register again in next batch whose registration will start on 24th August and it will end on 21st August. Now let's see how you can participate or register for this. So for that you need to go on top and you need to click on this partner with us, because first step your school need to partner. So once you come here, first you check this here. Here all the school list is given who are already partnered. So first student need to check whether your school is already partnered or not. So how you can check? Just click here. You will get another page where all the list is given to you. So now as you can see, this list is given. You can search your school name here. So if your school name comes, means your school is already partnered. So you just go to the teacher who is in charge and they will submit your name. If not, then your school need to partner. That also I will show you. So here you can see Delhi Public School, Bangalore North, like that all the schools are detail are here who have partnered. So all the 4,817 partner school names are here. Now You need to, if not partnered, then here two things you need to do. You go to your school principal, inform them about this, and first school need to nominate a teacher as SOP. SOP is single point of contact who will coordinate with IIT Madras. And after that they need to fill this Google form with subject submit the expression of interest. So now let's see this Google form. So this is the Google form, express of interest school partnering with IIT Madras School Connect program. So here again all details are given. You need to read this detail, and then first page you need to check your email ID. Then you need to select your school located in, whether it's located in India or outside India. After that click on next button. Now since your school is India, you need to fill all other detail like school name, category here government school, government aided, private, all the schools you need to, then your school address, city, state, pin code. So you need to fill all this detail. In next page you need to fill the detail of a school principal, mail ID and mobile number. Next, detail of SOP, teacher in charge, means name of teacher in charge, designation, his email ID and mobile number. Next you need to upload that form on, but remember that letter should be in school letterhead only. You can download the format which is available here, and principal signature is also compulsory. So now let's upload that. Next few more details they are going to ask, whether you are group school or single school. You can choose accordingly. Then student studying in class 10th, 11th, 12th. If you have only 10th, you can check only that box. If you have all the 3 classes in your school, check all the 3. Then which board you belong, number of student in class 10th, 11th and 12th, medium of instruction in your school. So after filling all this detail, you just need to submit your Google form. Once you submit your Google form, your registration process will complete. You just wait for the reply by IIT Madras, where they will give the login ID and detail for SPOC, where SPOC can log in and enter all the detail of interested student with the course which they want to do it. So remember students, if you are studying in class 10th, 11th or 12th, this is a great opportunity, because very few students get a chance to learn from IIT professor, explore modern subject early and earn a certificate from IIT Madras. So if your school is offering this program, don't miss this opportunity. If you found this information useful, make sure like the video, hype the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more update. See you in the next video.